So hey creators, ever spent hours making a great post and wish more people saw it? In today's video, I'll show you how to reuse and repost content using Buffer. It saves time, boosts reach, and helps you keep your content working harder for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about why reposting matters. So most followers won't see your content the first time. So reposting helps you reach new viewers, drive consistent traffic, and also keeps your feed active. So without constantly making new content. So once you here on your Buffer website, once you log in, what you have to do is you go directly to this button that says Analyze. Once you click on it, it will take you to this section. Now, once you're on this section, you can see the information that you have on this section. You have the channels here. You can click on the channel that you want to analyze and the contents that you posted earlier, so that you will see the performance, the engaged users, the page and post engagement. Now, from this data, you can see which type of content is doing better on your channel, so that you can go ahead and repost it. So you can analyze it on each page. You can see on which date the metrics inside for total fans and all that. So if you see the content that has more average impression and also the engagement and the reaction and the clicks on it, you might need to repost it. So you just from this section you can see which type of post you do that. So you can also check on other medias. Let's say, for example, the Instagram, but for myself, I've not uploaded any document, but I'm showing you how you can do that analysis to make sure that you post your content and you reach out to many people and your content will work for you. So that is how easy you can analyze and repost and reuse content in Buffer to make sure that you get to more views. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.